Yo, what's up? Welcome back to R3 TV, and you already know that today is a new day. Hey, I made a trip to the junkyard, and bro, I've already found some super clean CBs. There's one right here. This is an EX. That is a F22 A6. This is an automatic. Super clean interior with black dash, uncracked bezel, OEM radio. Super clean trunk interior and tail lights. Yo, I might have to go ham on this. Bumper lights, corner lights, everything is there. And here I found an EX, full interior, 5-speed pedals, everything there. Super clean. This is a F22 I can't see that. I think it's A6 as well, but it's super clean. Might have to fill my little cart up, and I just walked in the door. This is actually the color of what my car was before it started fading out, but I'm gonna pop the trunk on this and see if we got something good in there. Yeah, going to the junkyard is like, bro, it's like the most, I don't know, it just gives me all the feels, man. Like you're searching through Candyland. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. Yeah, and this is just when I walked in the door. So really what I came out here for is this wiper cowl. This one looks like it's a little cracked, so I may get the one from this one over here. But I may snatch a few things off of both of them. So let me get to work and see what I want to get. Especially that one, man. I don't know why that one. This one's here. This one's super clean right here. Look at the lights. Like the lights are super fresh. Like almost brand new looking. So this one's a little cracked too, but I think a little better. So I may grab this one. Should I grab the bumper off of this too? I don't know. I think I might definitely grab the bezel and the radio and the black pieces around here because I need all of that on my car. Yeah, I think this is a good score. I'll walk around and see if there's anything else. All right, so I got the wiper cowl off. Hopefully they don't charge me an arm and a leg. On eBay it's $100, so see if I can at least get it cheaper than that. And I don't think there's much more I need from this green one. Again, I may get these lights just because I don't know if I've seen lights this clean on a CB. Maybe I'll try to sell them or something, but every other one I've seen out here, the glass and the lens is super dark and crusty. So, but I gotta take the bumper off and stuff, so I don't know. But I just hit myself in the eye with something, and boy, that mug hurt. Safety first, kids. Safety first. All right, I'm back to the 5-speed over here. I think this is one I'm gonna really dig into because my car was auto, and it was auto to manual, and I feel like anything I would need, obviously, is in a stock auto. So I'm looking at this little brake switch here. This is what I'm having an issue with. So I want to take everything. I see they have like this little piece right here, and that's what should turn the brakes on and off. I don't know. I'm just gonna grab everything I see under here. Also gonna grab stuff for the steering column that's missing. And ooh, I can't take this because it's just maroon, so I got to go back to the other one and take all of these under pieces because I'm missing this as well. And I'll grab anything else that I see. So I'm gonna start pulling this stuff apart. Also, I really need to dig into my shifter because I just grabbed this shifter to feel it, and this is so much tighter than my shifter. There's like no play in there. I mean, that feels honestly amazing. Like, my shifter has so much slop in it. And I mean, I'm gonna replace it with, you know, short shifter and all that stuff, but mine definitely does not feel like this. All right, so I actually came back over to the green one because it has an OEM black dash, and all the pieces under here are already black, and this is mainly what I need, so I'm going to be pulling it from this one instead. All right, I got my bezels, everything I need. Just walking around looking at other cars now. Just came across this clean CD5. It's an EX, and it's 5-speed. Nice, this thing is freaking mint, bro. Or gal, whoever looking at this. See what's under the hood. EX, maybe let's see if it's a B1 under here, a VTEC. Oh yeah, it is. F22 B1. Nice bar on there. Yo, this is clean, son. I might take that off and sell it. Somebody want that? Yo, correct me if I'm wrong. Oh, that almost hurt. But I think this strut bar is for 90 to 97. I could be wrong. I'm definitely about to take this and find out. I don't have a hood prop, so I'm gonna find out how to do this, but yo, I'm definitely taking that. All right, I went ahead and took the hood off because I almost crushed my finger like 3 times already. So I'm gonna have to take more off than I thought to get to this. Number one, this bolt is behind here, so I think I gotta take the bar off, and I gotta take these lines off. Depending how much they charge me for it, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. I'm gonna at least take it off and see. I feel like this would only be an Accord thing. If CD, CB don't matter. Like, I gotta get this bolt off, but like you can't get in there. Like, that makes no sense. And it's like welded, so you can't spread it open. Same for this side. These two are easy to get to, but can't get to the back one. It's always something, man. It's always something. All right, I was able to get that figured out. Got the strut bar off. Gonna test fit it on the Accord and see what we get. I'll probably throw the hood back on here to preserve the engine if somebody wants to grab it from here. But I think I'm almost done. I think this was a successful trip to the junkyard. What else they got out here? Got a K series. I don't know which one. This is an Accord K24A4. Somebody want to bottom in, do a K20, K24 swap. Couple more cars. Haven't seen anything too crazy. Couple J series. I think this is another K series right here. Yeah, another K24. Another J series. J series. All these are J series because all these are Accords. Probably J32s. I shouldn't need anything from an Acura. I got a J35. I don't see anything that would have a J35 out here. But yeah, I think this was a successful junkyard trip. I'm gonna go home now and start putting on some new parts, making the car look a little better. Hopefully I save a little money. I'll see what the total comes out to see if I'm gonna keep all this stuff, because these yards be taxing on parts unnecessarily. Like, bruh, chill out. So we'll go up front, check out, and I'll let you guys know what the damage is. I haven't seen an RL in a junkyard in a minute. Don't our CBs, don't we use upgrade to RL calipers? Don't remember. Haven't seen one of those. Maybe somebody else had the same idea, because that's the hub for it. Interesting. All right, man, let me get out of here. Ooh, I need that wheel for my car. Let me get out of here. I feel like a squirrel in here every 5 seconds. I'm jumping at something. Let me go. All right, finally leaving a junkyard. I think that was a successful trip. Let me know in the comments what you think the damage was. Like I said, the junkyards are expensive. I got a strut bar, a hood cross member thing. I got the windshield wiper cowl. On eBay, the windshield wiper cowl was $100. The strut bar is probably anywhere from, if you get a good one, you know, 150, 200. Cheap one, $50. And the little cross member thing, I believe, was $60, $70 on eBay. So the total damage was $41. For the strut bar, he only charged me $20. The cowl was $13, and the steering wheel, oh, I got the steering wheel cover thing. He only charged me $3 for it. So I think I came out real good for this. So I'm excited to get home and get this stuff on the car, make sure everything fits and looks good. So let's go. All right, we're back home in the garage. So the parts that I was getting in the, man, after being at a junkyard and seeing my engine bay and seeing what's in the car, it makes me appreciate it a little bit more. I've done some work, I guess. I've done some work. But the part I was getting is this right here. This has been open for years. Just makes the car look open and complete. So, yeah, it's straightforward and simple. This is gonna go there. I'm gonna paint this black with that black paint I got that I use for the wheels. I'm gonna paint that black. Now I want to see if the strut bar works. All right, yeah, it fits. I think I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna get some chrome cleaner, what do you call it, polisher. I'm gonna polish this up. A little more adjustments. I had to screw it one side or the other, but yeah, I got a strut bar for $20 from the junkyard. I will freaking take it. I got this. I don't really know if I need it or not, but if you look at this one like is been bent and all waved up, and it makes my front ends not sit correctly. So I went ahead and got this. It's super straight and almost the same color. So I'm going to slap that on too. Probably not right now, but I'm gonna slap that on, clean this up, get the pins for that, hold that down a little bit. And I had little stuff like, I don't know why I was doing stupid stuff like this. Like, this has no fuse. They were just touching together. That's how they were making connection. So I got the fuse for that. Got the rest of my fuses. Got about my column pieces here. I'm excited about my column pieces here. I can finally make my dash inside look proper. Because look at that. That looks a freaking mess. But I may just slap that on real quick and see how it looks. Here is before. this is with everything in. I still need to get the last bolts and stuff, but it's the little things, man. It's the little things. Still need to clean it up. I'm gonna take all that out and clean it up and get all this cleaned up. But I think it was a successful day at the junkyard, getting little things for the car. Wasn't expecting to get everything I got, but the car's coming together once again. Thought I'd put another little quick video. I know I said this would be the last one before the dyno, but there's still little things I needed to do, so I got them done today. Really happy about this. This is pretty legit right here. All right, guys. I will see you in the next one, which will be the dyno video. All right. Peace.